Hello everyone, today we shall discuss about open curve and closed curve. What is the open curve? An open curve has two endpoints. It does not enclose an area. So this is an open curve and A and B are the two endpoints like this. Here I make this figure like this and A and B are two endpoints, therefore it is an open curve. It is also an open curve. Here also see this figure, right? And you see that this is an open figure because there are two endpoints A and B. This is A point and this is B point. Therefore, it is an open curve. What is the definition of closed curve? A closed curve has no endpoints. It completely encloses an area. You see, this is the area of the circle. This is the area of the oval. And this is the area of this figure. It completely encloses an area, that is the closed curve. Right? Here you see again we are defining what is an open curve. An open curve has two endpoints. It does not enclose an area like this. And closed curve, a closed curve has no endpoints. It completely encloses an area. These are the example of closed closed figure or closed curve. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.